So I'm Anthony Montag, Montag Manufacturing. I'm the CEO of the company and here at the 2018 National Strip-Tillage Conference. We've been a sponsor from the beginning, so this is our 5th year of being here. It's been an exciting, good event for us. So. Honestly, the attendees are great here. A lot of really good quality people coming here to the event. The networking, it's a great opportunity for us as a manufacturer to meet and discuss things with our peers, other manufacturers, but especially with the growers. You learn what is cutting edge, what's coming, what's developing, building those relationships, meeting a lot of friends that you've met over the years, and it's a great opportunity to network for us as well. I don't know, themes that are coming this year: the pressure of the corn market, the insecurity of tariffs, things like that have a lot of people looking at cost savings yet, where they can do that. But still seeing this growing mentality, especially amongst this group, of how can I be a better steward, how can I be a better farmer, what can I do to improve my land, improve my crops, save money, be efficient and effective. You know, if you're describing this group, the word that best describes them is improving. And it really touches everything they're doing. So I think that theme is what's kind of generally at this conference. It's a group of people that are investing in improving their operation, and and I think that stream runs year over year.
You know, it's about the people. I really enjoy coming here, and I've made friends with some of the growers that come here and the other suppliers, so it's really about the people and about learning, but I really enjoy the people. You know, it usually leads to, first we're going to talk about how things are going this year and what their experiences are this year, but it generally will go down the path is what are we going to do next? What's the next thing we can do to improve our operation? Is there something that fits in here? And oftentimes we're talking about other things other than our product. We're talking just about their farm, specifically about improving their operation and about the things they may be changing for next year. Most of the time when a farmer comes to us and they're buying a piece of equipment from us, it's because they're trying to solve a problem, whether it's a fertility problem, whether it's a tillage problem, whether you know, there's a variety of problems. Now with cover cropping here, we got soil health issues and stuff like that they're trying to correct. So they're going to come to us and we're going to talk about solutions for those different challenges on their farm. So that it's usually about how can I improve my operation, the agronomy side, and so it's usually about that. Generation 2 is always something we want to promote. It's kind of it's for the guy that's really starting to increase his efficiencies on his farm. He's looking to improve on his technology on the farm, so now we can dial in fertility rates, and so that's really Generation 2 is a new product that we really want to talk about with these guys.
Montag has been heavily involved in developing some new products and really working on our core products and developing new products. So we've had our Gen 2, it's been out for a number of years, and that's becoming more of a staple for us. It's really growing and starting to move more into some of the cover crop things. We have some products. We had an announcement that came out last year, a bit of product that we developed with Peggy and John Deere on the cover crop side, so the Fortifier. That's still in a limited release product offering, but definitely getting a lot of traction, starting to see a lot of things, and starting to bring us into another segment of the market in the cover crop world, making us develop things. There'll be more exciting things that we have a group of engineers that are really working on being cutting edge, developing software. There's some nice releases there that have come out, and some new product offerings that we'll start to release as soon as next year. So stay tuned. This is the premier opportunity for a manufacturer to understand what's important to farmers and listen to them. So it's a different level of networking. These guys are doing research. They're developing things. I just had a really good conversation with a grower that was doing some things with strip tilling soybeans, and some of the things that he was seeing there his corn. He'd been doing it for 3 years, and now this was going to be his best crop ever. 42 years of farming, and he has his best corn crop ever coming on board. As he said, some of it's yield, some of it's Mother Nature, but Mother Nature sets a table, and how well we do at preparing it gets us the best crop ever. It doesn't just happen magically. So you get to learn a lot about the agronomy, what things are important, where cover crops are starting to play in. It's an exciting conference to learn from as a manufacturer, and as a farmer. I'd encourage anyone to come to this conference because you really get a lot of ideas. Not all of them are going to fit your operation, but it's a place to learn. Networking is the deal. I mean, I was standing by the elevator last night going up to my room. I stood there for, I believe, about an hour and 15 minutes, meeting people that I knew, having conversations, finding out what they were doing in their operation, things that were happening in their businesses. It's networking. It's a fabulous opportunity like none other.